Hello kids, welcome back again to the video classes. I hope the past S1, S2, S3 lesson plans you have understood. Okay, now today I have brought for you again one more topic, that is recreation then and now. I said yesterday, I said no, what is meant by recreation? Recreation is nothing but relaxing and gaining some exercise like physical fitness. No, recreation is nothing but relaxing and gaining some physical fitness like playing outside, like going for a walk. That all comes under recreation. Okay, so today I bought something else, like how recreation was happened in the past. No, present recreation means we are relaxing. No, relaxing, how we are relaxing? Sitting before a television or playing like video games or indoor games. Okay, or doing some skipping. That all comes under recreation. But in the past, how people used to how people used to relax themselves. Now present, we are having a big what television, whatever channel we want, we are going to go to the channel and we are going to watch this all channels, whatever channels we want. But in those days, in the past, in our grandparents days, there was not, they used to not have any this dish TV or any Hathway connection. So they used to have only one television, that too I think it's of Solidaire, I think. Okay, that TV, and that too black and white TV, and only one program they used to see, mostly like news. Okay, so in those days they used to see, and 24 hours the television is not going to work. Only some limited time, morning, afternoon, or evening, something else. Okay, so that time what they used to do, after they do all their work, everything is over, they used to chit chat, come out and sit under a tree, and all these grandparents or all these aunts, uncles, they used to sit under that one tree and they used to chit chat nicely, happily about their what they have done of their work, about their work. They used to discuss about the work, and they used to have one radio also. They used to listen to the music, that is soft old songs, the old melodies they used to hear. But nowadays we are hearing no. I think you did not even see how the radio is also is there. Transistor. Okay, you will be having some rectangle shape, I think. So you ask your grandparents, they'll be saying about this what transistor or radio. So they used to have, but nowadays we don't have any radio or transistor. Directly we are having this television, in that only what all recording, everything, whatever sound box, everything is been attached to the TVs, television only. So no need of radios, nothing. So in the past, people used to recreate. They used to just relax by hearing to that soft music, or they used to come out and they used to sit and chit chat with everyone, or they used to go for any, like they used to go for skipping also. Okay, so that type of days, that type of relaxation they used to do. But nowadays we are not doing. No, we are sitting nicely, happily before TV. The whole day you will be sitting before television only. Your mama, she has to bring everything to the table only. Not only nowadays, you people may not sit on this, you may not come for the dining table also. You are going to sit on the sofa relaxedly, and your mama, she is going to bring everything. Water she'll bring. Mama, milk. Mama, water. Mama, snacks, everything. So she has to come and serve you, feed you. No. So this is what we are doing, the relaxation means recreation, we are doing the fitness. Okay, just I have bought something for you, like a small board work, just you see that. Okay, see here. Then means the past. So how people used to recreate their themselves. So they used to go for picnics, and they used to go play outdoor games, like they used to play like what is that in Telugu they'll be saying Koti Kombachi. They used to running and catching, that all they used to play in those days. But we are now, presently we are not playing that all. Okay, so and even flying kites also, they used to fly kites. Okay, so these are the games they used to play in the past. and present now. Now how is this recreation is being done? Watching television, play video games, every time playing video games, catching that remote into your hand and you'll be playing, and while playing you'll be moving also. No. And here again bicycle. So evening you'll go for a ride on a bicycle. So what is common in this both? Okay, what is the main common in this both? Present now also we are playing somewhere, rarely we are playing. What is that? See here, I'll say. Playing board games. Okay, and even we used to play, in the past they used to play, people used to play caroms also. Present we are playing. Okay, and that is one thing. And one more thing is skipping also, present we are doing. That means we need some physical exercise. So for that we need some skipping. So we are doing skipping, and even watching movies. Watching movies. Okay, watching movies. So these are all the games which are being played for gaining some recreational activities, like to maintain our body fitness or to relax. Okay, now and even in the school also, so you'll be having some games also. Why we are going to keep every day one activity for you? Not only the academics, even we are giving some games also. So one day you'll be having karate, one day you'll be having music, one day you'll be having swimming, one day you'll be having drawing. These all activities. Why? To get relaxed. So totally 8 hours you need not go for academic. You need somewhat break. So that is why every school they give one activity for a student. No, why? Because to make your mind relax and your body also relax. Okay, now children, open your worksheets. Now turn to page 17. See, turn to page 17. Here recreation, then and now. Okay, see here. What is the first question here? List 2 to 3 fun activities of the past and the present. Okay, here fun activities of the past. What the games or what they used to play, how they used to have fun in the past. You can write it as hearing to the radios or playing skipping. Okay, that you can write. Fun activities at the present. Now present. What you are doing? You can write it as playing video games or watching television. That all also it's a fun activity. Okay. Now next second question is, answer the questions based on the table. How are fun activities of the present different from similar to those of the past? Give one reason to support your answer. So you can take the help of this fun activities of the past and fun activities of the present. What is the similar in these two games? Okay, that you have to write your answer. Okay. Now next is, do you think that the fun activities of the past were better than those we do nowadays? Give one reason. Do you agree that fun activities of the past are better? Yes, of course it's better. Why? Because mostly in those days, the whole day till from morning 7 to evening 6 they used to work, and after that they used to come back, they used to refresh, and they used to have their dinner, and for a while they used to sit along with everyone, so that the one type of relation used to develop between these neighbors. But so that is why there is an activity, it's very much better in those days. Those activities are very much better, more than this nowadays. Okay. Okay, children, I hope you have understood all this S1, S2, S3 and S4. I hope you have done this worksheet also. If you are getting some confusion, I'll be interacting with you just to the next couple of days. Okay.